Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Boxy Charm unboxing. I know it's super late, but for some reason I've been getting my boxes super late. So I got it like the 25th of this month, which is crazy. Like, I want to get it early so that way I can review it with you guys or just show you guys what I got, but for some reason I'm getting them super late. My mom got a box and she got it way before me. My sister and my niece got their boxes before me. I don't know why, but I'm getting my box super late. But I want to share what I got inside my Boxy Charm for the month of August. So I'm gonna get started and just show you guys what I got. So obviously, if you guys don't know, or you guys don't know about Boxy Charm, it's a monthly makeup beauty subscription, and I'll have a link down below if you do want to join. It's a referral link, so like I think you guys get something and I get something as well. I'm not too sure. But I'll have it down in the description down below. It is $25 a month. So I'm gonna show what I got so you guys know. It comes like this package. It does come with the card. It should come with the card. I know that my first box did not. This has like what the items are and the prices of them. So this is my box, and I'll share everything with you guys. First, this is the little card it came with. And it just says spa, glamping, sunbathe, yoga, and slumber. And then it just kind of has like the s'mores on the side, and then on the back it has all the information. So I'm gonna get started with the first item. I got the Glam Glow Moisture Trip. And this one is Omega Rich Face Moisturizer. It retails for $54. And let's see what it says. It's a lightweight anti-redness moisturizer with omega rich cannabis sativa seed oil that helps calm irritation, relieve visible redness, and optimize skin barrier defense against environmental assault. This soothing formula with hyaluronic acid is proven to hydrate all day and provide instant relief from skin and stress. So this is definitely going to be good for me because I do have some redness. I guess you take off, how do you take this off? Okay, so I did not know how to open this, but I got it open, and it's just a green color inside. It doesn't smell like anything. So we'll give this a try, but for my skin, I think I'll like this because I am into moisturizers, and like I said, this retails for $54. I probably wouldn't pay this in store, but I do have redness underneath my skin, so I think that this will definitely come in handy. The next thing I got is the Butter London Teddy Boy eyeshadow palette. So this one retails for $28. It says it's a 9-piece eyeshadow palette featuring highly versatile cool tone natural hues. So I'm not a fan of cool tones, but we'll keep on we'll look at the palette. It has matte, shimmer, and metallic shades that complements all skin tones. Touch-ups are easy thanks to the small, easy, and carry mirrored compact. Okay, so this is the palette. On the back it does have the names of the shades. Like it said, it's cool tone. I'm more of a warm tone kind of person. I always wear like warm tones, but if you're cool tone, so this is what it looks like. And then it says Teddy Boy, and then it comes with a clear protective case, and then these are the eyeshadows. So I like Billy. Simon is a pretty color. Nigel is a pretty color as well, and Graham is definitely the middle ones. I think the T, like where it has the T, I definitely like those. So we'll give these a try. I definitely like the palette. I like the fact that it has a mirror. I love palettes with mirrors. it just comes in handy when you're getting ready, like the mirror. But I got that retails for, like I said, $28. Then I got this one. This one is the Aesthetica, I think that's how you say it. Sunset bronzer. I think my mom got this one in the same color as well. So it looks like this, and it's just really pretty packaging. Let me see if I can open it. I always have a hard time. This one is a sunset bronzer, and it's a perfect shade of amber, and it has like a peachy glow. Okay, so this is what the bronzer looks like. I love bronzers. I'm glad that I get them in my boxes, but I got this one, and I will swatch it for you guys. Let's see what I don't know if you'll be able to even see it on my skin tone though. We'll try it. I like that it has a mirror and it's really soft. So that is the bronzer. And then I got the, let's see, what brand is this? Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later Eye Primer. So I got the primer. This is the eyeshadow primer, and let's see how it comes out. This is originally $20. Oh, I love the packaging. The packaging is really pretty. It's a like matte pink with black. I think I got an eye primer already, but I don't mind having more primers, but this one we'll give a try. The next thing I got is the Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Brow Gel. It's a tinted vegan brow gel formulated with thickening heart-shaped fibers and conditioning hemp. It's derived from cannabis seed oil for long-lasting fullness, shape, and definition. So it comes in this packaging, and I got the color Dub. And let's see, this is what it looks like. Just the packaging is really pretty, and the fibers, let's see if you can see the fibers. You can't see them, but I would imagine once you put it on, you can like the little hair-like will be on your eyebrows. So I'm excited for this. This is originally $20. So for my box, I'm pretty happy with my box. I want to definitely try out the bronzer, the moisturizer I'm excited about. Also the brow gel as well. The primer, I have another primer, so this one will come in handy later. And also the eyeshadow palette, because like I said, I'm not a cool tone person, I'm a warm tone. So we'll try out this one. I think it'll be nice for fall. And then I'm gonna share the items that I did like, or my last box, the box of July. So I'm gonna share some of those items with you guys and just give you a little bit of a review as far as did I like them, did I not like them, or what's the deal with those. So we're gonna get started with those. For this month's box, the total of the items were 146. So 54 for the Glam Glow. The Butter London eyeshadow palette was 28. The Milk Makeup, the Kush Fiber Brow Gel was 20, and the Aesthetica Sunset Bronzer was 24, and Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later Eye Primer was 20. So the total came out to 146. So this box was 146 for this month. Last month I believe it was like 155. So I'm going to share the items from last month and tell you what I think of them this month, just because I've had a month to kind of, I guess, play around with them. Last month I got the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C. You guys saw that. This one I've been using every single day, and I don't know if I noticed a difference, but this is the Vitamin C Brightening Booster. And like I said, I don't know if I notice a difference, but I like to put this on my skin. I just feel like it's giving me an extra boost. I don't know, but I have been using this every day. The other thing that I got is the Ace Beauty. This is the Bronzed in Paradise palette. This is what this one looks like. I have been using, so these two colors, this is my favorite. I have it on right now. I kind of just put it on, but this one is my favorite. I've kind of touched on this one and this one, but this one is a little bit too light for me. But these two shades I have been using, and I actually really do like them, so I've been using those, and I will continue to use those. And then for the next thing that I got last month is the Scattered Light Hourglass eyeshadow. Actually, I have not even used this. I'm kind of waiting for fall. Like I said, I kind of forgot that I even got this, but this is the Hourglass eyeshadow. Maybe I'll try and use it this weekend, but I have not used it. The other thing that I completely forgot, because I kind of just threw it in the back of my drawers and completely forgot and didn't even use it at all, is the Grace and Stella. These are the eye masks, so I'll be using this weekend, just because I don't know, I just kind of like shoved it and then kind of forgot about it, so I did not get a chance to use these. So if I do use them in the future, I will let you guys know what I think about these, but I have not used them. The other thing that I got was the Nudestix. This is the lip gel color, and this one is in the color Haven. I actually have this on right now, so like when I don't want to wear like a lipstick, I just put this on, and it's kind of really comfortable. I thought I wasn't gonna like it because of the shade, but I actually really do like it. It just kind of gives me a little bit of color, a little bit of nude, which I like that. And it says it's a cheek balm. I have not used it as a cheek balm, but I do use it as a lip color. I also put like a lipstick, and then inside I put this stick or whatever it is. It's like a so it has gotten plenty of love, but it's really nude and it's pretty. I think I really like this now that I've been using it, but I just put it on like randomly, like I have it on right now, and it's really comfortable. So yeah, that I thought I wasn't gonna like last month, and I actually really do like. That is it for last month. So this month I'm glad and I'm happy with my box. I'll play around with the eyeshadow palette and the bronzer. Actually, everything I'm gonna try and leave out so I can actually use it. Next month I will tell you guys how I feel about them, because I might like it right now and not like it next month, or I might not like it now and then next month I like it, like the lipstick or whatever, the Nudestix that I got. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and stay tuned. I want to continue doing these every month for you guys, so if you guys do like these, give me a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you guys in another one. Bye.